मैथमेटिक्स क्लास 10 के लिए एक्सरसाइज 5.5 आज हम करेंगे। इन दिस एक्सरसाइज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज A is a set in which 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements and B is a set in which 6, 7 are the elements. A and B are the given sets and we have to check that the given relations जो आपके पास क्वेश्चन के नीचे relations given हैं, then those relations are from A to B. Then state whether these are functions or not. If these are functions, then state which kind of functions are these. The first relation is given. So first of all we have to check that the relation is having 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 6. 3 pairs are there. So with the help of a figure we have to draw this relation. This is a set A and this one is the set B. Okay, and the relation is given from A to B. So you have to put a arrowhead from A to B. Then first ordered pair is 1, 6, second is 2, 7 and the third one is 3, 6. So with the help of these arrowheads we have to mention the given relation with this figure. After this we have to check two conditions for the confirmation of a function. For the first one is the domain and the second one the repetition of the first element. See, in this relation 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 is the domain of this relation which is not equals to B, and see in this relation 1, 2, 3 it is not repeated. So we can say there is no repetition in the first element of all ordered pair contained in R1. Both the conditions will be written over here, but see the domain of this relation is 1, 2, 3 which is not equals to set A, the given set. So when we are having both the conditions same or they are satisfying the result, then we can say the given relation is a function. But when the conditions are not according to the given relation, और हम कह सकते हैं कि हमारे पास अगर गिवन रिलेशन जो है वो कोई भी एक कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा है, देन उस सूरत में हम कहेंगे कि ये फंक्शन नहीं है. सो वी कैन से R1 इज़ नॉट अ फंक्शन. इट का मतलब क्या है? R1 is not a function because domain of this relation is not equals to the first set and there is the second condition को वो satisfy कर रहा है but first को नहीं कर रहा. That's why we can say it is not a function. Okay, जब ये function नहीं है तो हम इसका कोई kind भी check नहीं करेंगे. Now the second relation we are having, this is 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 7, 4, 7. So according to this relation we have to draw the figure. Figure हमारे पास है कि A to B है. So ये arrowhead जो है वो show करेगा that this relation R2 is given from A to B. Now you have to write the elements of set A and then this elements of set B. According to इनके जो है ये जो pairs given हैं आप जो है वो arrowheads लगा के देख लेंगे. 1, 6, 2, 6 and 3, 7, 4, 7. In this see 1, 2, 3, 4 the domain is equals to set A, equals to set A and there is no repetition. There is no repetition in the first element of each ordered pair. It means that R2 is satisfying both the conditions. So we have to write that it is a function from A to B because domain of this relation is equals to set A and there is no repetition in the first element of all ordered pair contained in R2. When it is a function, that it is necessary that you have to check the kind of this relation. So see, this relation is having 6, 7. तो kind check करने के लिए हमें range check करना पड़ता है. So 6, 7 is the range and 6, 7 is equals to set B. That's why we can say that R2 is a own to function, because the range of this function, this relation is equals to second set B. Okay, now we have to check the third relation. In this relation 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 is given. According to the given relation, you have to make the figure, draw the figure over here. In this you have to write the elements of set A. In this you have to write this element of set B, and then you have to pair according to the given condition. Now see, 1 2 3 4 is the domain of this relation, and 6 is the range of this relation. So according to the conditions of the function, both the conditions are satisfying this relation. So domain of this relation is equals to set A, and there is no repetition of the first element in all ordered pair contained in R3. So we can say that R3 is a function from A to B. जब ये function है, then we have to check the kind of this function. See, 6 is the range of this function, which is not equals to B. When the function, the relation given satisfied both the conditions, after this you have to check the kind. So range of this is not equals to set B. तो इस सूरत में it will be into function.